Yeah, so we blew the funded today. All of them, all three of them. No, I'm just kidding. Took a big loss, so we're chilling. So this was kind of the execution on NQ because I charted the first one out on NQ, took the trade, um, or the execution on MNQ, and yeah, here's the arrows. So obviously, I thought after this BS right here, and we had all this LRL, I thought we'd go to PDL, previously low, but guess not. Guess we just didn't want to do that today. We did have FOMC minutes towards the end of the day, and we ended up taking another trade. So, yeah. I thought after we swept Asia highs on both ES and NQ that we would, go down, tap this 15 minute. That's all I was looking for. That's all I was looking for. The 5 minute and the 15 minute. That's it. But I guess we can't get that. Winners can't be choosers or whatever, however that goes. We didn't really tap a higher time frame. We did have an SMT up here though. And I guess we just didn't want it. So that was another $180 loss ish, maybe like 200 actually, because we are down total of 397 across the three accounts. Check this other one. Yeah, 397 and 40 cents across the three accounts. I mean, we're not looking crazy bad at all. Could be a lot worse. I don't hate it. It is what it is. Happens. Not closer to a payout though, which kind of sucks. Still trying to decide if I want to take like a $200 payout when I can, just to, secure some profit back from buying the evals. But honestly, I really want to get up to the $2,600 buffer so that I can give myself more room. But we'll see what happens at the time. But yeah, these were the trades. SMT, I already said all that. We inversed a 4 minute here, and this is kind of the second time that I got screwed on this. We inversed a 4 minute, but there was also a 3 minute inside that we did not inverse, and I'm pretty sure that's what kind of held us up and pushed us higher. I'm gonna watch out for that next time. Anytime I'm like, okay, 4 minute, first thing that's gonna come to my mind is look for a 3 minute and see if we've inversed that or not. But other than that, can't really complain. I mean, I thought they were both really good trades. This one kind of, could have been a little smarter on that, not taking it until the 3 minute got inversed. This one, I thought it was a good trade. Honestly, I had, I think, one or two contracts here, and that would have put me at break even. But I don't know. It is what it is. I'm gonna try to start taking trades to full TP instead of taking partials. See how that kind of works. Kind of risky, kind of scary, I guess. But here, actually, you know what? Let me make an example out of this. Someone kind of told me, so if this was my break even, instead of taking a partial here to make like $40 off of one contract, shaving off, wait until your full TP or your secondary TP. So take like contracts, start taking contracts off at like a 1.5, which would have been great at this one. Break even would have been about one to one. And then full TP at like, well, full TP at like 2 basically is really what I'd be looking for. But yeah, so then I can make, like $300 a trade instead of only, I think yesterday we won, and how much was it? $159. And I'm pretty sure that trade, if I didn't take any profits, but I took one at like TP1 for a 1-to-1, it would have been like I don't know, more like 220, 240. So I'm kind of shooting myself in the foot taking partials, but I do end up in the long run, I feel like make more money. It's just not as quick. So I don't know. I have a lot of thinking to do about that. Looks like this 1 minute might play out to the 5 minute. I don't know. I'm not even looking at this anymore. I'm just gonna do it all again tomorrow and see what happens. Let's do the verse of the day. I think this one's pretty good. Let me pull it up. Late video just because I wanted to take a trade after FOMC to data lows is really what I was aiming for on this one, all the way down here. Because we took Asia highs and I was like, all right, let's go to data lows. But we can't have it. Can't have it all. Okay, so we got Psalms 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be honored by every nation. I will be honored throughout the world. And what I get from that is that everybody believes in a God, and if they like believe throughout the world would just be a better, safer environment with peace and stuff like that, because you let God just take the wheel of your life. That being said, join the Discord. It's in the description. I called these out. I called the first one out on my little live channel in there. Obviously, it's a loss, but I want to show everything so that if anybody does join, they know it's not always wins like some people out here make it seem. You're gonna have losing days, and it's fine. But yeah, guys, I will catch you tomorrow.